Hello everyone, welcome to VSI Quick Learning Program. Today we are here to demonstrate a science experiment which will really give you a magical experience.
We need a candle, we need balloon and a lighter to light the candle. Okay, so this goes the lighter and we are having our lit candle here. Here we are with another balloon, right? See what happens with this balloon. Over the candle flame and burst. Here is the balloon and see the magic which I am going to show you. The balloon is over the candle flame. Continuously I am heating the balloon. There are three essential things for combustion, right? The first one is presence of oxygen. The second one is the substance should be combustible. And the third one is attainment of ignition temperature. So the balloon, this plastic material, is not able to attain its ignition temperature and the balloon has not burst. This was the science behind this. Thank you.